Hi everyone, Akshay here and welcome back to Tech Binder. So new day, new unboxing. So today we are having a earphone from a company known as 1MORE. So this is 2019 and companies are moving towards the wireless earphone, and in this wireless era we are unboxing a wired earphone. So in this video we're gonna figure it out whether it's still worth to have a wired earphone in a wireless era. So without any further ado, let's get started in this video. So this is the box from 1MORE company, and taking it out we will find here that we are having another smaller box inside it, and this one is the main box. So when we talk about the specification, this is in-ear earphone. So the weight of this earphone is around 13 gram and length is around 1.2 meter. It has a 3.5mm jack. So the frequency ranges from 20 to 20,000 Hz and the impedance is around 32 ohm. It is 98 dB sensitive and it requires a 5 mW power to pump the juice in your ears. That's all. So let's unbox it and let's find more about it. And I really love this packing style. Keeping this aside, here you will find the user manual guide from 1MORE, and it talks more about the earphone, its uses and how to keep them safely. Wow, that's great. So here we are having a sticker from 1MORE which looks pretty great, and surely I will paste it somewhere. That looks pretty funky and great. Let's talk more about our box. That's really great. When we talk about the packing and all, it's really like premium packing, and let's find out how good this is. Wow. So this box really looks great. Our earphone is enclosed in this packet. You will keep it aside and let's see out. Wow, that's great. So here we are having a collar pin and also the different silicone ear tips. So small, medium, large, you will find it here, and they are very well arranged. Keeping this aside, and let's talk more about the box. It's really easy to take them from the box. So first thing first, taking it out of the box, and that's really very good experience. So here it is out of the box, and they are piston fit. Okay, so they are not magnetic. It's a little bit disappointing because I would have thought that they would be magnetic as they are of metal. So they are crafted from aluminum, which is pretty great. And here you will find that this one is premium finish with braided cable all over the earphones, and also the mic control is pretty great because you will find your volume up, volume down controls, and also a play pause button with an inbuilt microphone so that you can use it for receiving calls and all. So the 3.5mm is pretty solid in design, and it also has a braiding, so this one is not gonna come out pretty soon, and this one is going to last longer. Also it is having 3.5mm gold plated jack, which is pretty great. So here are the contents of the box. I really love the packing and design of these earphones. Now keeping it aside, and let's talk more about these earphones. So design wise they are very great. So now we are going to do the sound test and button test of these earphones. So this is a 3.5mm jack, not wireless. So thanks to Samsung, they have retained the microphone jack on S10 Plus, which is pretty great. And let's try to play some music. So first thing first, let's test the play and pause functionality, and boom, it works pretty great. So there is no delay, I think. Oh, no delay. Wow, that's pretty fast, and it's a little bit faster when we are comparing with the wireless earphone, which is really awesome because the wired ones are definitely a little bit better in comparison to wireless if you have no problem with the wires. So increasing or decreasing the volume also works pretty great. And what about if you want to go to the next track? For that, double press it and boom, you are in the next track. If you want to move to the previous track, you need to just triple tap it. Still I'm doing the triple tap, but I don't think I can figure it out moving to the triple tap. So it works great for next track, but right now I'm not able to go to the previous track, which is a little bit annoying. So if you want to do the previous track, I think this one is not going to help. Next best thing which I like on these earphones is that you can call your voice assistant. Just press and hold it and boom, hey Bixby, what's the time? Wow, it responded pretty well. So I'm like around 1 feet away from these earphones, and still they pick up my voice very clearly, which is pretty great. So the mic quality is really very great when we're talking about it. So we cannot go to the previous track by using these earphones, which is a little bit annoying. Apart from that, everything works well and they passed in our sound test and button test. So when we talk about the fitting of these earphones, they fit perfectly in your ear canal without any doubt. Only problem which I feel is that if some force is applied, they will come out of your ears. So you need to put on the right size of ear tips onto your earphone, otherwise they are not gonna fit perfectly and will not feel comfortable. So once you have used the right size of ear tip, they will fit perfectly and they sound great. So now when we talk about the sound quality is pretty awesome. They do have bass, but that is not deep bass. So also they are having the aluminum crafted design, so they looks pretty well. So they are gonna last longer because of this braided cable, which is pretty much durable. And the mic quality is pretty good on these earphones, so you can definitely go for voice or video call for long hours without any doubt. And apart from that, the controls are really very tactile and very responsive, so you cannot find the latency part here because these are wired ones, and you can definitely use them even for gaming and they work flawlessly. So now the question comes whether we need to purchase these earphones or not, because these earphones are priced around 1200 to 1500, and in this price point you will find a large number of wireless earphones which also sounds pretty great. So the choice is yours if you are not having problems with the wires and if you want a classic 3.5mm jack, because in these earphones they do not have any latency, and also if you don't want to charge your earphones regularly, then I would definitely recommend you to go for these wired earphones. Apart from that, if you want wireless earphones, there's a huge range of wireless earphones on my channel. You can find the playlist here and you can choose the wireless earphones according to your need and budget from this playlist. And the best buy links for these earphones will be available from the links in the description. You can go and purchase from there. So if this content was helpful to you, give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get latest video notifications whenever I upload such new videos on my channel. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and catch you in the next video.